Summaries are everywhere in business. After every meeting, in every long report, inside sprawling email threads, they're unavoidable. And yet, summarizing is one of those tasks that eats up time. You have to read carefully, sift through clutter, pick out what matters, and then reshape it depending on who you're writing for. Most professionals know that pain. You leave a message with messy notes, or you open a 3-page report, and the task of creating a clean summary feels so overwhelming. The temptation is to skim and dash something off, but then you risk missing details or failing to adapt it for the right audience. Now, this is where ChatGPT can be a game changer. But this is the key, only if you're specific. If you just paste text and say, hey, summarize this, the result will almost always be too vague or too generic. You will end up editing anyways. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to avoid that trap. We will cover 5 scenarios. Number 1, we'll be turning meeting notes into action logs. Then, using a 2-step processor for sharp clarity. We'll be switching formats instantly from headlines to tables. We'll be adapting summaries for different audiences. And we'll be guarding against inaccuracies. So by the end of this lesson, you will have a toolkit for summarizing almost anything and getting outputs you can use immediately with zero reworking. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with one of the most common cases, meeting notes. Now, most people paste in their notes and type, summarize this. And what comes back, usually a block of vague text. General themes, a few broad ideas, but nothing you can act on. That's not helpful. So instead, you want structure. You want the summary to double as an action log. And that's where this prompt makes all the difference. Here is a prompt on your screen. Summarize these meeting notes into 5 bullets. Decisions, owners, deadlines, risks, and open questions. Then you can talk about the audience or the team or leadership that you're trying to send it to. Now, notice how powerful this is. By defining bullet categories, you force clarity into ChatGPT. Each bullet has a job. Decisions are captured, the owners are assigned, deadlines are explicit, risks are surfaced, and open questions are preserved. If you aim this at a project team, they'll see exactly what they need to do and by when. If you aim it at, let's say, executives, they'll focus on decisions and risks. And if you need both, you can take the same notes and simply ask for 2 versions. One for executive summary under, let's say, 80 words, and one detailed team version with bullets. Now, turning one messy set of notes into 2 polished outputs in less than 2 minutes, that's the power of AI. Right now on your screen, you see some of these examples. I want you to review them. And once you've done, we can move forward into the next stage. So sometimes a one-shot summary does not work. If you paste a long client call transcript and say, summarize, ChatGPT may oversimplify. You lose the essence. So here's how to fix it. Use the 2-step process. First, generate a rough cut. Then refine it with a structured summary. So here is prompt 1. Draft a rough paragraph summary of this client call. Don't polish, just list key points roughly. Now, this is like making a rough draft. You capture everything before deciding what's important. With this prompt, number 2, you're going to refine it. You say, now refine into 3 bullets: pain points, positives, and recommended actions. Use clear business language. Now, this second pass forces clarity. You go from messy to organized without losing detail. And here is a pro tip. After the bullet version, create a leadership cut. Say something like, compress to 100 words, formal tone, only outcomes. Now you've got both the detailed version for your team and the headline version for executives. Now, this layering process mirrors what professional analysts do. First they capture, then they distill. It's efficient and reduces the risk of skipping something critical. Here on your screen are the responses the AI generated. I want you to pause, review them, and once you're ready, you can resume the video. Different audiences want information in different shapes. Executives like headlines and charts, teams like checklists, project managers love tables. Instead of rewriting the same content multiple times, you can have ChatGPT generate several formats in one go. And here's the prompt. Summarize this 3-page report in 3 formats. 1-sentence headline, 5 bullet points, and table of actions with owners and deadlines. Now, this is brilliant because each format serves a distinct use case. Headline can drop straight into a slide deck. The bullets can go into an email. The table can slot directly into a project tracker. Now, here's a pro move. When you ask for a table, specify markdown formatting and define the columns yourself. Task, owners, deadline, status. Now, that way the output isn't just readable, it's ready to paste into your documentation and project tools. In other words, you're not just summarizing, you're shaping the output into the exact container where you need it. Now, pause here for a moment and review the AI response that you see on the screen. You can resume this lesson when you're done. Now, one of the biggest wastes of time is rewriting the same summary for different audiences. What a CEO needs is very different from what a teammate on Slack wants. But here's the secret. You don't have to rewrite. You can ask for both versions at once. This is the prompt you can use. Summarize these project updates into 2 versions. 1, executive summary for leadership, max sync 120 words, formal tone, focus on metrics and deadlines. Number 2, casual update for teammates on Slack, max 3 sentences, conversational tone. Now you have instantly generated 2 different drafts. One speaks the language of leadership. It is formal, it's concise, it is results driven. The other speaks the language of peers, casual, human, and short. Now, here's how to refine further. If your executive version still has fluff, tighten with something like cut further, only deadlines and metrics. Add a line of encouragement. Now think of this like switching lenses on a camera. The subject is the same, but you change how it's presented depending on who's looking at it. Right now on your screen, you will see the responses it generated for the executive as well as the Slack version. And I want you to review this. Pause the video now so you can review it in detail. Once done, you can resume the video. Now finally, let's address a critical issue, and that is accuracy. Now, AI tools sometimes hallucinate. They make up details. That's bad enough in casual use, but in business, it can destroy credibility. Imagine inventing a deadline that doesn't exist or attributing an action to the wrong person. Now, the fix is simple. Add guardrails. So here is the prompt. Summarize these notes. Do not invent details. If something is unclear, write unclear. This way, if a fact is missing, ChatGPT won't guess it. It will flag it as unclear. That's your signal to check or add context to yourself. And here's an extra safeguard. Pair that with another instruction. For example, list 3 facts that should be verified before sharing. Now you've built in an accuracy check. This is especially useful in client-facing work or financial summaries, where precision matters more than speed. Now, better to flag something as unclear than to send out wrong information. Here's a response on your screen that ChatGPT generated after we used these guardrails. I want you to review them. Once you've done, you can resume the video. So now let's recap how to summarize like a professional. First, structure meeting notes into action logs with categories. That turns vague text into a checklist people can actually use. Second, use 2-step summarizing. Rough cut first, refined version second. That way, you keep details while sharpening clarity. Third, flip formats instantly. One input can give you a headline, bullets, and table in one go. No more rewriting the same content 3 times over. Fourth, generate audience-specific drafts. Leadership and peers have different needs, so you can meet each one of them using AI. And finally, guard against inaccuracies. Add guardrails to prevent hallucinations and build trust in every summary that you share. Also remember, never just paste in text and type summarize this. Be deliberate. Treat summarizing as a structured process, and you'll get outputs you can share immediately without hesitation. That is it for this lesson. Thank you for watching.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.